Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goas News Bulletin with me Dipali Naik. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. I will not contest the Lok Sabha election on NCP's ticket if Congress gives the North Goa seat to NCP. Jitendra Deshprabhu. Residents of Kankona demanded immediate arrest of the culprits involved in the murder of Vijaya Pagi. Vendors Association declared shutdown on Monday. And actress Ashalata Babgaonkar felicitated with Tejaswini Award. Now the news in detail. Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu said that he will not contest the Lok Sabha election on NCP's ticket if Congress gives the North Goa seat to NCP. Alleging that NCP is brainless party, Deshprabhu denied contesting election on NCP's tickets. However, Deshprabhu had contested Lok Sabha election on NCP's ticket during the last elections. RDX Goa's Bureau Report.
Sure that Jitendra Deshprabhu will not go to that stupid party again. I would rather not contest the Lok Sabha election forever if this party is given the seat. I have said this before. I am saying it now, and you may perhaps have known this, that if the seat goes to Nationalist Congress Party, I have no desire to go to that party to contest the North Goa parliamentary seat. Is that? No, I have used a far more severe word for it. Party of? You know what I am trying. तुमच्या माध्यमातून तुम्ही एक अतिशय जरबेचे माध्यम आसात. तुमचे जे पत्रकारिता हे जे माध्यम आसा, ह्या माध्यमांवय आम्ही लोकां म्हऱ्यान हाडूंक सोदता की अशी परिस्थिती आसा.
Furious residents of Kankona staged demonstrations outside Kankona police station demanding immediate arrest of the culprits involved in the murder of Vijaya Pagi. Dead body of Vijaya Pagi was found on 31st January at Kankona. Locals denied to take the body in custody unless the culprits are booked. Meanwhile, the Vendors Association declared shutdown on Monday to condemn the brutal murder of Vijaya Pagi. Babish Borkar reports from Kankona.
पालिका गावात जातलो आणि याची पुढे चालू उरताले आणि आज जर तेव्हा धरीत पुढे बंद पडटाले.
आता अकरा झाले. आता पोलिसांनी आतापर्यंत किती सांगलं तुमका?
मेन म्हणल्यार कितें जाणा, काल जेन्ना पण हे कळ्ळें न्ही तेन्ना इमिजिएटली एक्शन सुरू करून जे पळय शोधकारी किंवा जे हे करपाचें काम लेट सुरू केला तितलो डिले जालो ना.
काय असं म्हणटाय ते किती आमकां काय सांगना लोकांक कळपा तेन्ना हे लोक रस्त्यार येयलाय. डीवायएसपी किती सांगता आणि 8 दिसां भितर आपण पळयत म्हणटा 8 दीस रावया. 8 दिसांनी काय जावंक शकचे ना, काय जावपा ना.
मता की ज्या पद्धतीने ती बॉडी काल दिश्टी पडटाली ती पळयली जाल्यार मनीस नॉर्मल मनीस काल एसपी सांगला नॉर्मल मनीस हे करूंक शकना. कोणी तरी अंडर एक ड्रग्स नाल्या अंडर खंयच्या तरी अल्कोहोलाच्या अंडर इन्फ्लुएन्साचेरच ह्या मनशान केला. एक मनशाचें काम उरत म्हणून आमच्यान सांगूं येना, कित्याक ती बायल जी आहा इतली स्ट्रॉंग आहा की एक मनशा आयकोपा बायल केन्ना आयकोपा नशें बायल ती.
आता ते सर्च जे चालू आसा ते तुम्ही जर एक 10 जण येतात ते आमच्या वांगडा तुम्ही करूयात.
आम्ही तें म्हणटाले
सगळे नाका कित्याक
ना सगळीं न्ही एक 15 ते 20 जाणां 10 जाणांचो एक ग्रुप. कित्याक तायो मोबायल मेळना.
एरिया कित्याक एरिया कोणी शेवटून मारूंक शकता, कित्याक व्हडले एरिया सर्च करचे पडले. सो ते भुरगे आमकां कित्याक सारके भोंवतले एक 10-15 जाण तरी
सांगता कित्याक जाण हे सांगता कित्याक जाणा हांव ताजो मोबायल मेळना.
सरान सांगता त्या प्रमाणे म्हणटकीर आमकां बेगिनांतल्यान बेगीन गुन्हेगार मेळपा जाय.
आणि अशी सुद्धा थिंगा असल्या सर त्या एरियेक दिसान सुद्धा त्या बिहारी मग लोक रस्त्यावर बसताले आणि PSI साहेबांना सांगले ज्या मिटिंग जाली तेन्ना ते 7 ते रातची 10 म्हळ्यार तरी 2 पोलिसां गाडी पळोवची म्हणून हे सुद्धा आमी सांगलें कित्याक ते पोजिशन कशा चाललें की रस्त्यार कोण डेब्रे कोण कित्याक लोकल लोक सगळी कामां असली.
Renowned Marathi actress Ashalata Babgaonkar was felicitated with Tejaswini Award by the All India Women's Federation's Goa Division. She was felicitated at the hands of Speaker Rajendra Alekar.
हे काय प्रश्न कसला आहे नंतर बघू आपण चेहऱ्यावरचा. पण गंमत अशी आहे की मी माझं वय जेवढं आहे साधारणतः तेवढंच वय त्यांनी संगीत आणि अभिनय साधनेत ज्यांनी घालवलेलं आहे अशा माणसांबरोबर बसण्याचा हा योग म्हणजे खरोखरच सुवर्ण योग आहे. त्यांच्या कला कर्तृत्वाचा, त्यांच्या संगीताच्या साधनेचा किंवा अभिनय साधनेचा मी गौरव करावा अशातला भाग नाही. आता आशालतांचा जो इथे गौरव झाला पुरस्कार देऊन, खरं म्हणजे त्यांना अशा गौरवाची सवय असेल. एका अर्थाने त्यांनी जे माहेरचा पुरस्कार, माहेरचा गौरव असं जे म्हटलं, खरं म्हणजे माहेरच्या माणसाने व्यक्त केलेली ही कृतज्ञता आहे. अनेक ताकदीने सामर्थ्याने उभी केलेली नाटकं किंवा वेगवेगळ्या सिनेमातनं त्यांनी केलेली कामं किंवा नंतरच्या काळात त्यांनी केलेले दुरून आम्हाला जे दर्शन होत असतं त्या दूरदर्शनवरनं अशा सगळ्यांची त्यांनी तेवढ्याच ताकदीने जी केलेली कामं आहेत ही सदैव सगळ्या लोकांच्या स्मरणात राहणार आहेत, याबद्दल वाद नाही.
आजपर्यंत येईपर्यंत 55 वर्ष कशी निघून गेली अजून कळलेली नाही. अनेक पुरस्कार मिळाले ते सगळ्यांनी सांगितलं, पण सगळ्यात मला वाटतं मोठा पुरस्कार हा मला प्रेक्षकांनी दिलेला पुरस्कार आहे. कारण जर प्रेक्षकांनी तेवढं प्रेम केलं नसतं, ते आमच्या नाटकाला आले नसते, तर कदाचित हे सगळं मी करू शकले नसते. मी खूप सुदैवी आहे म्हणायला हवं मला, कारण मला चांगल्या संस्था मिळाल्या, चांगले लेखक मिळाले, चांगले दिग्दर्शक मिळाले आणि चांगले सहकलाकार मिळाले. मेहनत खूप केली, खूप श्रम केले, पण कधी म्हणजे स्ट्रगल हा शब्द माहिती नाही. तो करण्याचा कधी प्रसंग आला नाही. कारण काय की गोवा हिंदू असोसिएशनमध्ये ज्या वेळेला मी सुरुवातीला त्यांच्या नाट्य स्पर्धेमधनं काम करायला गेले त्यावेळेपासून मी परत मागे वळून पाहिलं नाही. आणि ह्या सगळ्याला माझे नाट्यगुरू गोपीनाथ सावकार हेच कारणीभूत आहेत. त्यांचे उपकार या जन्मीच काय 7 जन्म सुद्धा मी फेडू शकणार नाही, इतकं त्यांनी मला दिलेलं आहे भरभरून. मला वाटतं की गुरु भरभरून देतो, पण ते घेण्याचं सुद्धा कसं शिष्याकडे असायला हवं.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पायाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and mud cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises. Hey, why are you so gloomy?
Array, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I had to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc.
First time in Goa. You get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length of kitchenware on any purchase over ₹2,000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth ₹1,000.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Goa is a paradise, and in this peaceful and lovely location, you have one more heaven, and it's Amonkars Boutique Hotel in the world famous picturesque location Miramar. May it be stay, business, family, parties, or leisure. With a franchise of Uncle's Kitchen, Amonkars is equipped with the best for your comfort. Amonkars Boutique Hotel, rooms, restaurant, and lounge.
चांदण्यात फिरताना
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अंगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन दंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, पदवरी गोवा इथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
Welcome back. Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu commented on present government, stating it as the government of land grabbers. Also, he said that collecting iron and salt from the farmers for building statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is mere drama of this government. RDX Goa's Bureau Report.
Narendra Modi has demanded that all the unwanted, unused metallic or ferrous based utensils and implements and what have you, to send them to Gujarat. For God knows for what. When his own party government is sitting on iron ore to such an extent, what they call E-auction and B-auction and C-auction, I don't know what it is. So all that auction they can, if the government wants to send to Gujarat, I wonder if that is the demand Mr. Modi is making. In any case, it will be going to Gujarat because the e-bidders will be only from Gujarat, nobody else. It has not gone for mandir construction. And now Modi is not interested in Ram Mandir construction. He says before any temple, there should be a Shauchalaya. So whether he is using steel in building Shauchalayas, so that the people when they use the Shauchalaya, they must remember Narendra Modi. This may be the approach. Because now when this metal is going, why do they require this metal? If Narendra Modi is spending 2,800 crores,
are you opposing?
How do we oppose? It is his own government running Goa. E-auction. When he goes for e-auction, all that metal will go there, including the soil. He's called for soil also. Like in case of building Ram Mandir, they had brought, they had requested for 1 bottle of water from every place. I don't know what happened to that water. But the bricks I know, it has been used for construction of private houses, bungalows of the BJP people. Bhai bhaute sarkar, komunidai zamini khau sarkar.
Goa government has not taken any initiative to curb the Regional Plan 2021 and also did not make any amendment in TCP's Act to allow active participation of public bodies in the regional plan, alleged convener of Goa Parivartan Forum, Advocate Yatish Naik. He said that Chief Minister had assured to curb the Regional Plan 2021 when he was in opposition. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
Therefore, our demand is, from day one we have been saying this, the state level committee and the town and country planning board have played a mess with this regional plan. The task force had collected and generated a good pool of data. In fact, it's the first time that survey numbers were mapped on the regional plan. The task force had done genuine work. But when this plan went to the state level committee and to the board, they have resorted to anti-Goa and arbitrary insertions and policy excesses. Therefore, this regional plan has to be denotified. You fall back on the task force plan. You reconstitute the SLC to involve independent town planners and people with merit. I stress this word merit. Experts. You then go through the participative planning process by involving local self-government bodies like Gram Sabhas, Panchayats, municipalities. You examine their suggestions on the touchstone of merit and legality. You then assimilate them in the plan and keep the plan open for the people. People are the stakeholders because people should contribute in plan making. You cannot go by the philosophy of my way or the highway. So government has to keep its promise. The speech of the governor is the policy decision of the government because it has been voted. This speech has been voted. We have therefore made this memorandum. Honorable Chief Minister must look into this.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाणे आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर, a new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
Link Point, advertising, communication, designing.
Offers for audio-visual production support.
Advertisement, films.
Corporate profile.
Documentary.
Weddings, conference recordings.
Audio recordings and dubbing.
Making of features and short films.
Shooting, equipment hire.
Call 9850089429.
750-7390960.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आणि जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. Savattim MLA Ganesh Kaukar appealed people to take advantage of government schemes. He was speaking while distributing farming machineries at Dharbandura. Eknath Khedekar reports from Dharbandura for RDX Goa.
परत परत जर आमी समज जर कितें जर काडून खावपाकच गेले जायते जाल्यार मागीर तें पिड्ड्यार जाता. आतां जमीन सुद्दां म्हणटालो पळय तो की ते परत कितें तरी पुरपा जाय, आमी पालो घालपा जाय, जाल्यार कितें करपा जाय. जमनीक शेत लावन लावन जर तेजी सगळें जर पळय कितें पळय आसा सारें तें पिकोवन जर खाल्लें जाल्यार मागीर ती जमीन पाड जाता. सगळें तशें आसता, मनशाचें तशें आसता. एक मनशा कडल्यान समज जर मागोन कितें ते कडल्यान खायत रावलें न्ही जाल्यार मागीर तो काबार जाता. आमी आतां दूद सुद्दां काडटा आसतना गायेचें अमकेच काडचें पडटा, ते वासराक अमकेच दवरचें पडटा. सगळें त्या प्रमाणे ह्या जमनीचें शेताचें सुद्दां तशेंच आसा. एक आसा की फायदो जो पळय सरकारा कडल्यान मेळटा तो घेवपा जाय. इवन हेका तुका पावर फेन्सिंग मेळटा. थोडेशे आमच्या लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम आसा. फाटल्या दिसांनी आमचे कडेन आमगे तुळशीदास लाडो उलयतालो की जमनी आमगेली एनक्रोचमेंट आसा जावं आमचे कडेन टायटल ना, त्या खातीर प्रॉब्लेम आसा म्हणून एक ताका आमी उपाय काडपाचो चिंतला. तुमी म्हणटा ते सगळ्यांत आतां सादारण सरकारान 21 म्हयने जाल्या. 21 म्हयन्याक तुमी सांगपा जाय की कितें तरी खंय काम जाता जावं सरकार हें काम करता तुमकां दिसता काय कितें, तुमकां तेजो फायदो मेळटा काय कितें हें स्वता तुमी ठरोवपाचें. तशें जर तें जालें जायत जाल्यार आमकां फुडें वचपाक बरें पडटा. नाल्यार समज परत्या गड्यावर पाणी समज कितें मेळटा तें घेतलें आनी मागीर ओगी रावली, ताचो कांय उपयोग जायना. ताचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा. दादी सांगतालो आतां तुमी हांगा मांडचे पयलीं म्हजे तकली नासलेलें. हांव फाटल्या म्हाका दिसता 7-8 म्हयन्याक लागले फाटल्यान की हांगा खंय बंदार घालपाक मेळटा. तें करता आसतना एक काम करा कितें कोणाली समज जमीन जावं रस्तो वाट लागता जायत जाल्यार तें आडो येवं नाका. हांव सगळ्यांनी कंप्लीट मतदारसंघाक भोंवला ह्या 21 म्हयन्याक. प्रॉब्लेम काल आनी पयर जावना. म्हाजी टार्गेट आनी आमची सरकाराची टार्गेट कशी आसा की 2015 पर्यंत एक कडेन सुद्दां टँकर वचपाक जायना. त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आमी काम करता. खुबशे काम चालूच आसा. तें जर जालें जायत तुमकां म्हाका दिसता उदक म्हणटा तें खंयच कमी पडचें ना. आनी हें आतां पळय दादीन म्हाका सांगलां तें कॅनल बांदपाचें, मागीर थंय वयर एक लिफ्ट इरिगेशन करपाचें, कांसा म्हणटा थंय, ह्यो गोश्टी चड टायम लागच्यो ना. आतां इतल्याच कितें ह्या दिसांनी इलेक्शन आसा म्हणटकीर थंय कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जर लागलो जायत जाल्यार फास्ट काम करपाक म्हणजे आमकां ऑर्डर बिर्डर दिवपाक कठीण जातलें. तो थोडोसो टायम वयतलो. पूण हें फुडल्या वर्सा तुमकां निश्चित मेळटलें हें तुमकां हांव सांगपाक शकता. जर काम जर जालें जाल्यार तुमच्या पंचायती जालां तें मागीर तळडे जावं तें सुर्ला जावं नाल्यार तें मागीर मदल्या वाड्याक जावं आख्ख्या म्हाका दिसता गोंयाक पंचायत वायज जर घेतली जायत जाल्यार तुमच्या पंचायतीक जें पळय काम जालां जे सरकाराचे कारकिर्दी 21 म्हयन्या ते खंय गेल्यार तुमकां मेळचें ना.
The first All Goa Clubs Conference was organized by Goa Football Development Council at Panjim. The motto of the council to organize such conference was to make the clubs of Goa financially viable, said the chairman of GFDC, Dr. Rufino Montero. Football cannot sustain without homegrown players, said the member secretary of GFDC, Elvis Combs. Sanjay Minoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
Our first All Goa Club Conference. And we brought all the clubs together, I-League clubs, Pro League clubs, First Division, Second Division, and the winners and runners-up of the Third Division of GFA, along with members of GFA and GFDC, to do a brainstorming session on grassroots and youth development programs to be carried out. We have also discussed on community development related to football clubs and around football clubs, and how to make the clubs financially viable. We had a very good attendance with most of the clubs attending and eagerly participating in many of the discussions. In fact, interactive session is still going on. And the whole exercise is meant to showcase how grassroots development which GFDC has begun over a year back can be taken to these clubs as associate centers where we can help the clubs to develop at grassroots levels, players, and also to showcase how community development takes place around the development of this grassroots development and how it can be taken further. Mr. Peter Vaz showcased how community development takes place in the European countries, in UK especially, and the whole exercise is meant as an introspection for the clubs to see how they can better themselves and how GFDC can help them in developing this football at a financially sustainable level at the grassroots and youth level.
Today we brought in the clubs for the first time to make them understand that it is they who support the system. We brought the member clubs who are affiliated to GFA, not all. To a certain extent, third division will be covered later. We brought them to understand how they can run the club better, how they can help in youth development, because By ourselves alone, it will not be possible to increase the mass base for youth development. We have already taken a policy decision to assist the clubs in forming associate development centers.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. I will not contest the Lok Sabha election on NCP's ticket if Congress gives the North Goa seat to NCP. Jitendra Deshprabhu. Residents of Kankona demanded immediate arrest of the culprits involved in the murder of Vijaya Pagi. Vendors Association declared shutdown on Monday. And actress Ashalata Babgaonkar felicitated with Tejaswini Award. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.